Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new octopus pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Draw a large curved line like this. Stop here so we can draw the ear next. Draw an oval under the line now. Then at the top and bottom, draw lines out to the left. Then close it off with a curved line. Now continue the shape of the head underneath. Next, draw the other ear on the left here like this. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw two large circles inside. And then color them in black. Let's draw the tentacles now. Draw two curved lines coming out to a point on the left side. Now do the same on the right. Next, draw another set on either side here. And then one more in the center. Now draw another curved line under each tentacle like this. Lastly, draw two curves under each tentacle for the suckers. And that's it for this cute octopus pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.